if I'm gonna go into something, I'm going full bore. I'm not gonna, I'm not going in half-hearted. So I think that separates me is, I have the drive, I have the determination. That's what kind of separates not only myself, but certainly other attorneys, other colleagues, because I could say that about a bunch of my other colleagues as well. I'm going on 12, 13 years of experience. I've done it all from, a low-level traffic ticket to a murder case. But from time to time, issues might pop up that I haven't seen before, and it's as simple as picking up the phone and dialing, say, Peter Polano's extension, and saying, Pete, I got an issue. How have you dealt with this before? And the same thing with Peter. Peter's probably got 20 plus years of experience on me. He'll call me up. He said, Derrick, I know you did a case like this recently. How did you handle it? And sometimes it's not even necessarily the actual law aspect. It's how do you deal with an ADA, assistant district attorney, on this? Or how do you deal with a judge on this? So, and that's what our firm is all about. And it's not just me and Peter. It can be any. We hold monthly meetings. We have a listserv for the group. If there's any questions, people can email. But whether it's Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, Albany, Binghamton, we collaborate together. And especially some of the newer attorneys, whether they're in Binghamton or say Buffalo or Rochester, they'll call me and they'll say, hey, how have you dealt with a case like this? So it's that collaborative approach that I think benefits our clients, because I could pick up the phone and call someone who's got double my knowledge base, and they can kind of point me in the right direction. Whether you're doing employment law, criminal law, family law, any type of law, there are procedures in place. And if the other side doesn't follow those procedures, those could be issues, and easily reversible issues. You have to go through things with a fine-tooth comb, because you need to do your due diligence, and there could be something in there plenty of times that a prosecutor missed, that an opposing counsel missed, and you find those things in there that could be favorable evidence. You need to bring it out, and if you don't, you're doing your client a disservice. I let them know I'm always going to be straight with them. I'm not going to sugarcoat something or make it seem like they had the case of the century just so they could pay us a retainer fee. That's not how I operate. You tell them the good, the bad, and the ugly, and everything else in between. Hopefully the initial conversations, will allow them to believe me more or trust me more when I say, hey, we're gonna have a tough conversation, there's a tough decision to make.